How do driver fatigue and hours of service violations impact liability in Tennessee car accidents? In the realm of Tennessee car accidents, understanding the impact of driver fatigue and hours of service (HOS) violations on liability is crucial. Both factors significantly influence the legal landscape, affecting how responsibility is assigned and compensation is determined. Driver fatigue. Driver fatigue is a leading cause of car accidents, and when it contributes to a collision in Tennessee, it can significantly influence liability. Fatigue impairs the driver's reaction time, decision-making abilities, and overall awareness, leading to an increased risk of accidents. If a driver is found to be fatigued at the time of the accident, it may be considered negligence on their part. Liability in cases involving driver fatigue often hinges on proving that the fatigued driver breached their duty of care. This may involve gathering evidence such as witness statements, police reports, and potentially even the driver's own admission of fatigue. In Tennessee, comparative negligence laws mean that if the fatigued driver is found partially at fault, their liability may be proportionately reduced. Hours of service violations. Hours of service regulations established by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, dictate the maximum amount of driving time and mandatory rest periods for commercial drivers. Violations of these regulations can significantly impact liability in Tennessee car accidents, especially when involving commercial vehicles. When a driver exceeds the allowed driving hours, it compromises their alertness and increases the risk of accidents. If an accident occurs due to an HOS violation, the driver and potentially their employer may be held liable. Proving an HOS violation may involve examining driver logs, electronic logging devices, or other records that document the driver's hours on the road. Legal implications in Tennessee. Tennessee operates under a modified comparative fault system. This means that even if the injured party is partially responsible for the accident, they can still seek compensation. However, their awarded damages are reduced by their percentage of fault. In cases of driver fatigue or HOS violations, demonstrating the other driver's negligence becomes paramount in establishing liability. Working with an experienced attorney is crucial in navigating the complexities of Tennessee's liability laws. Attorneys can help gather evidence, assess the impact of driver fatigue or HOS violations, and present a compelling case to secure fair compensation for the injured party. In conclusion, driver fatigue and hours of service violations can significantly impact liability in Tennessee car accidents. Proving negligence in these cases requires a thorough examination of the circumstances surrounding the accident, adherence to state laws, and the expertise of legal professionals to secure just compensation for those affected.